In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts on Zoho Social. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in and connect your social media profiles so you can start scheduling and tracking from one place. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Zoho account and the login details for the social profile you want to connect. It also helps to disable pop-up blockers, since some authorization windows open in a new tab or pop-up. Open your browser and head to the Zoho Social website. On the landing page, click Sign In. This takes you to the Zoho account sign-in screen. If you use Google to access Zoho, choose the Google option. When the Google account chooser appears, select the correct account you want to use and complete the sign-in. If you're asked to confirm permissions or verify it's you, go ahead and approve those prompts. Once you're in your Zoho Social dashboard, look for the settings icon, typically a gear near the top of the interface, and click it. In the settings area, navigate to social channels. This is where you manage the platforms connected to your brand or workspace. You'll see a list of available platforms you can connect. Find the social network you want to add and click Connect. A short confirmation will appear asking if you want to continue with the connection process. Click Proceed to move forward. This step ensures you're intentionally linking the right account for the right brand. You'll now be redirected to that platform's authorization page. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into the social account and grant the requested permissions. These permissions let Zoho Social publish posts, read analytics, and retrieve messages or comments where applicable. Take a moment to read them, then click Allow or Continue to grant access. If the platform asks you to pick from multiple pages or profiles, choose the specific one you manage and want to connect here. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Zoho Social. You should see the account listed as connected under social channels, often with a status or a green indicator. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh the page and check again. If you run into any issues, confirm you're logged in to the correct social profile in the authorization window and that you have the necessary admin or management permissions for that page or account. That's it. You've added your account to Zoho Social. Repeat the same process for any other platforms you want to manage, and you'll have all your channels connected and ready to go.